Hello, dear student. Very good morning to all of you. This is Gore sir. Join with me giving positive command to your brain. In last video, we learned what is valency, what is exceptional valency, what is the difference between valency, oxidation state, and oxidation number. Keep in mind, oxidation state and oxidation number, as per our NCRT, it is synonymous. So we also take the synonymous. Okay. Second thing is today we are going to discuss what is oxidation state and oxidation number, how to find the oxidation state and oxidation number. Side by side, I am giving you excellent trick to how to develop the structural formulas of any compound. It is very excellent. It is booming video. Boom video. Remember that. First of all, once you know the valency, once you know the oxidation state, you can automatically develop formula. Today we work basic knowledge about formula and oxidation state. In the next video, I am going toward IIT JEE. I cover all exceptional oxidation state in my next video. So focus on the board and join with me. To find the oxidation state, there are 7 rules. I not teach you 7 rules because it is time consuming, but I give you excellent trick. Keep in mind. First, to find the oxidation state of each and every element, each and every compound, you remember that all alkali metal is in plus 1. Is in plus 1. Alkaline earth metal, it is in plus 2. Keep in mind. The second thing is free state element, it is oxidation state is 0. Keep in mind. If any element present in free state, you say oxidation state 0. For example, I take an example of hydrogen, free state. Then I take an example of any element, Cu solid, free state 0. Then again P4 0, S8 0, Cl2 0, Br2 0, and this way we have to take 0 oxidation state. Next case is what? Here is the main point. This hydrogen shows 2 charge. One is positive and other is negative. Now, when hydrogen shows positive and when hydrogen shows negative, it is very confusing matter. Then you keep in mind, when this hydrogen attach with non-metal, then you take positive. If this hydrogen attach with metal, then you say minus 1. Clear? For example, HCl. Cl is more electronegative, means this negative and this one is positive. Means hydrogen attached with non-metal and it bears positive charge. For example, lithium hydride. I take lithium hydride. In this case, lithium is the metal and hydrogen. This is positive and this one is negative. In this way, hydrogen. This is the confusing matter, you keep in mind. It shows 2 oxidation state, plus 1 and minus 1. Non-metal, if attached with non-metal, then you say positive. If it attached with metal, you say negative. This is the first point. And second point is oxygen. Oxygen is confusing matter. Oxygen shows first minus 2, second minus 1, third minus half, and fourth one is plus 2. Now it is very confusing matter. Sir, you may ask question to me. Sir, when we take -2, when we take -1, when we take -half, and when we take +2, these are the oxidation states shown by oxygen. It is very confusing matter in any compound, but I think they are giving you excellent trick. This -2 is common. This one is common. Clear? When any peroxide linkage is present, if any peroxide linkage is present, at that time you take -1. How you can find the peroxide linkage? Simple way. When you see the goggle of Gandhiji, when you see the goggle of Gandhiji, then you say it is peroxide linkage. It means अगर आपको गांधी जी का चश्मा दिखता है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? पेरोक्साइड लिंकेज. ये O है, ये बॉन्डेड O है, दो ऑक्सीजन एक साथ में लग के रहेंगे तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? पेरोक्साइड लिंकेज. गांधी जी का चश्मा दिखा कि -1 लेना है, इतना याद रखिएगा. देन इसके बाद में ये जो -½ होता है, ये -½ होता है सुपर ऑक्साइड. ये क्या होता है? सुपर ऑक्साइड. Oxygen shows -½ in case of superoxide. Second thing, +2. Oxygen also shows +2 of oxidation state. But when it is very exceptional and there is a single example, that is OF2. It is the single example. In this case, oxygen shows +2 oxidation state. Why in this case it shows plus oxidation state? You simply remember phone. I write here FON, phone. Spelling of phone. Phone is FON. Phone is more electronegative. Oxygen is more electronegative. Means fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. You keep in mind. Fluorine is the topmost, having highest electronegativity in the periodic table. Second element is oxygen. Third element is nitrogen. And this way you remember that. Next is, I write here, algebraic sum of oxidation state is always 0. Algebraic sum of oxidation state is always 0. And there are two universal laws. First is, where any element present in any atom present in free state, it is 0. And algebraic sum of oxidation state is 0. This is universal law. Universal rule. Other rules are violated, but these two rules are not violated. These two rules are followed by each and every company. Second thing, अगर आप लोगों को इतना समझ में आया है तो मैं आगे बढ़ूं. डबल अल्कली मेटल होगा तो +1. Alkaline earth metal, if there is the alkaline earth metal, you say +2. Free state, any element, any atom present in free state, you say 0. Then H, CuS, F, P4, S8, Cl2, Br2. In this way we take the 0. Oxygen shows over oxidation state -2, -½ +½ and +2. -2 is common, -1 peroxide linkage, -½ superoxide, and +2. This is the only one exceptional case. In this case, oxygen shows +2. Otherwise, it shows -2, -1, and -½. Keep in mind. Algebraic sum of the oxidation state is always 0. After getting this knowledge, we have to remember certain charges. For example, lithium, it's +1. Okay? Then potassium, it is +1. Okay? Alkali metal shows +1. Calcium +2. Magnesium +2. Al +3. Clear? This is the. Then I write here Cl, halogen, always show -1. Then next is Cn, it is -1. OH, it is -1. Then CnOH, here. Then PO4 bears 3 negative charge. We have 4 pairs, 3 negative charge. How it is possible? How it is possible? मैं आपको ये चार्ज कैसे है वो भी बता दूंगा, तो ध्यान दीजिएगा. Phosphorus atomic number is 15, 285, valence is 5, means phosphorus form 5 bond. phosphorus 5 bond बनाएगा, ये P है, उसके साथ में 4 ऑक्सीजन लग के, एक ऑक्सीजन, 2 ऑक्सीजन, 3 ऑक्सीजन और ये चौथा ऑक्सीजन, 4 ऑक्सीजन लगा दिया. 5 वैलेंसी कंप्लीट करने के लिए मुझे यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड डालना होगा. फिर बचा क्या, देखो यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की इक्विवेलेंस सेटिस्फाइड हुई, यहाँ पे एक ऑक्सीजन की, यहाँ पे एक ऑक्सीजन की, means this be a negative, this be a negative, this be a negative, means whole charge present on PO4 is -3, therefore I write here -3. Clear? Next is NO3. NO3, if you don't remember what is the charge present on NO3, you can simply mind. Nitrogen atomic number 7, 2 and 5, valence is 5. Nitrogen, therefore what happened? There is 3 oxygen, 1, 2 and 3. We have to make 5. This is 4, this one is the 5. Oxygen 2 valence is satisfied. Oxygen 2 valence is satisfied. 1 valence is not satisfied, therefore negative. Means NO3 bears what charge? -1 charge. Clear? Next. SO4. SO4. What is the charge present on SO4? If you don't know what is the charge present on oxygen, simple. This is sulfur 16. 2, 8, 6. Valence is 6. Means sulfur forms 6 bond. Therefore, here is S. Clear? 4 oxygen. You write in this manner 4 oxygen. Then to make 6 valence, here is the double bond. Here is the double bond. Now sulfur satisfied 6 valency. Then these 2 oxygen not satisfied, it is oxygen is divalent, therefore it is negative, therefore here is -2, here is -2. Clear? Then next is in case of peroxide linkage. Oxygen present is -1. If 2 oxygen are attached with each other, then at that time you take -1. Clear? Then next is MnO4. MnO4 bears -1 charge. MnO4 bears -1 charge. Clear? Cr2O7, it bears -2 charge. Clear? Next is hydroxide nitrate carbonate, CO3. What is the charge present on CO3? If you don't know what is the charge present on CO3, you can find very easily. How? This is carbon, atomic number is 6, therefore 2 and 4. Carbon form 4 bond, therefore this is the carbon, 1 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen. I write here double bond to complete 4 valency. This one is negative, this one is negative, therefore -2. This is the way to generate a charge on the species. Clear? Next is I take an example of nitrogen. Nitrogen. It shows 5 and -3 charge. Clear? Keep in mind -3 and +5. When nitrogen shows +5, when nitrogen combined with more electronegative element, then it is plus. When nitrogen combined with less electronegative, then it is minus. Keep in mind. This is the trick to find oxidation state as well as formula. Hope take a screenshot. Of these charges, and we go toward how to find oxidation state. Okay. Now I cut this whole thing. You remember that this is our basic video. In the next video, we are going toward IIT JEE. I covered whole exceptional oxidation state. Clear? First, you learn this topic. Okay. Supposed to be your teacher asks what is the formula of aluminium phosphate, aluminium phosphate, aluminium phosphate, aluminium phosphate. What is the formula of aluminium phosphate? Keep in mind, एल्यूमिनियम फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले तो एल्यूमिनियम लिखना है, एल्यूमिनियम पे +3 होता है, शो भी कर सकता हूं मैं इसको, Al13 है तो ये क्या लिखेंगे 2 8 3 लिखेंगे, ये बैलेंस हो गया 3, देयरफॉर +3. ओके, देन phosphate represented by PO4, phosphate represented by PO4 भी has -3 charge, then cross multiply, then what, Al3, correct, then PO4 3. Okay, this is same, these are same, therefore what is the formula? PO4, this is the formula of aluminium phosphate. Clear? Aluminium 3, phosphate 3, cross multiply, these are same, so cut. AlPO4 is the formula. Next, supposed to be we have to draw calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate, calcium carbonate. Calcium is divalent because it is alkaline earth metal. The carbonate CO3, what is the charge? -2. How do we find? This is the O, this one is O, this one is O, 4 valency, this is unsatisfied, this is unsatisfied, therefore -2. Now Ca plus 2, CO3 -2, cross multiply, you get Ca2, CO3. First time, get cancel, CaCO3. This is the formula of calcium carbonate. Okay. Supposed to be you have to draw the formula of aluminium sulfate. I write here aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. Clear? How we can find aluminium? Aluminium is what? +3. Sulfate SO4 -2, cross multiply, then what happen? Al2 SO4 and 3 times. It is not common, therefore we cannot divide it. What is the formula of aluminium sulfate? This one is the aluminium sulfate. Clear? This is the formula of aluminium sulfate. In this way you can develop the formula. And now we go toward finding oxidation state of simple compound. Okay, first I take an example of, I write here some compounds. I write here H2SO4, my first compound. Second is KMnO4, second compound. Third compound is HNO3. I take simple example. Clear? You have to find the oxidation state of this sulfur, and in this case you have to find the oxidation state of Mn. In this case you have to find oxidation state of nitrogen, and next case I take an example of SO4 2 minus. In this way, what we have to do here, we have to use mathematics. Simple. What is the charge present on hydrogen? Generally it is positive. Therefore we take +1 multiplied by 2, means number of hydrogen atom. Then next plus. We have to find the value of sulfur. Therefore we write here X plus. Now what is the charge present on oxygen? -2. Therefore it is -2 into 4 is equal to 0. Why write as 0? Because algebraic sum of all oxidation state is 0. Therefore I write this 0. Here is 2 plus x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then 8 x minus 6 is equal to 0. Then next x is equal to what? 6. The oxidation state of sulfur is 6. Oxidation state of sulfur is 6. Then what is the structural formula of H2SO4? How we can draw the structural formula of H2SO4? मैंने आपसे बोला ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट निकालते निकालते हम लोग इसको कवर करेंगे, फॉर्मूला डेवलपमेंट पे भी काम करेंगे। क्लियर? अब H2SO4 का फॉर्मूला कैसे डेवलप होता है थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा, बिल्कुल आसानी से पढ़ा। ये सल्फर है, दिस वन इज द सल्फर। To the sulfur 4 oxygen is attached, therefore I write here 4 oxygen, 1 2 3 4 oxygen. Clear? To complete sulfur valence is 6, I write here double bond. How many? 1 2 3 4 5, again I write here double bond. Clear? Now this oxygen valence is satisfied with hydrogen, this valence is satisfied with hydrogen, and these are the structural formula of sulfuric acid. Structural formula of sulfuric acid. Clear? Simple way. Next. मैं आपको ये अभी तो इनिशिएशन है, इसके बाद में जो स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ाऊंगा ना वो बहुत मस्त मजा आएगा। बड़े बड़े स्ट्रक्चर बनाओगे आप, 10th स्टैंडर्ड में ही बड़े बड़े स्ट्रक्चर बनाना चालू कर दो और आईआईटी की भी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर दो। क्लियर? थोड़ा केयरफुल वीडियो वॉच कीजिए। ये KMnO4 है। अब KMnO4 पोटेशियम अल्कलाइन मेटल है, अल्कली मेटल। ये क्या रहेगा? +1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1, एक ये करके प्लस x प्लस -2 into 4 is equal to 0। ठीक? ये 1 प्लस x minus 8 is equal to 0, -8 plus 1 -7 is equal to 0, x is equal to what? 7। मतलब Mn का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या हुआ? +7 हो गया। क्लियर? Mn का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +7 हो गया। अब what is the structure of this compound? What is the structure of this compound? सबसे पहले तो ये Mn लिख दो बेटा, बीच में सेंट्रल है, Mn लिख दिया। कितने ऑक्सीजन अटैच हैं? 1 2 3 और ये 4 ऑक्सीजन लिख दिया। ऑक्सीजन मैग्नीज का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितना? 7। टू कंप्लीट 7 व्हाट? 1 2 6 2 2 2 6 and 7 complete. Then this oxygen is unsatisfied, therefore write here K. This is the structure of KMnO4. Clear? Next, nitric acid. In case of nitric acid, हाइड्रोजन +1, वो जो चार्ज होता है ना वो याद ही कीजिए। हाँ, चार्ज जो मैंने लिख के दिए थे वो याद रखिए, नोट्स बनाइए, याद हो जाएगा। +1 into 1 एक ही है, प्लस x प्लस -2 into 3, ऑक्सीजन में -2 होता है, जनरली -2 होता है, 3 पर ऑक्सीजन लिंकेज कब आएगा वो मैं बताऊंगा। देन ये 1 प्लस x -6 is equal to 0। क्लियर? x is equal to what? x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to what? 5। nitrogen shows +5 oxidation state. What is the structure of this compound? First write nitrogen, then write oxygen and oxygen, then to complete valency write double bond, and here is what? H. This is the structure of nitric acid. This is the structure of nitric acid. Clear? Next is SO4 negative. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए, SO4 नेगेटिव की बात कर रहा हूँ। अगर SO4 नेगेटिव को ड्रॉ, आपको स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करना है, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट लिख करना है, तो जो चार्ज प्रेजेंट होता है ना वो इधर में लिखना है, इक्वल साइन की तरफ। क्लियर? तो यहाँ पे देखिएगा, इसका मुझे निकालना है, सल्फर का निकालना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? x प्लस -2 into what? 4 is equal to -2। चार्ज हमेशा, स्पेसिस का चार्ज हमेशा इक्वल साइन के इधर में लिखना, ठीक है? इक्वल साइन के राइट हैंड में लिखना। क्लियर? इक्वल साइन के राइट हैंड में लिखना। अब क्या होगा? ये x minus 8 is equal to -2, x is equal to -2, ये इधर जाएगा तो ये क्या बनेगा? +8, तो x is equal to क्या बनेगा? 6। तो ये केस में सल्फर कितना है? +6 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में है। अब इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा? ये सल्फर है, ये एक ऑक्सीजन है, ये दूसरा ऑक्सीजन है, ये तीसरा ऑक्सीजन है और ये चौथा ऑक्सीजन, 4 ऑक्सीजन। इसकी वैलेंस 6 है, तो ये हो गया बेटा 6। ठीक है? ये अनसैटिस्फाइड है नेगेटिव, ये अनसैटिस्फाइड है नेगेटिव, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, या फिर इसको स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट करके इसके ऊपर में -2 लिख सकते हो। क्लियर? क्लियर है? इस तरीके से आप लोग किसी भी कंपाउंड का स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हो अप टू 10th स्टैंडर्ड, अप टू 10th स्टैंडर्ड। क्लियर? मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला कैसे बनाना है वो पढ़ाया, मैंने आपको ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कैसे निकालते हैं वो भी पढ़ाया, मैंने आपको वैलेंसी क्या है वो भी पढ़ाया। मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा रहा हूँ, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, जंपिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैं ऐसे समझ रहा हूँ कि आपको कुछ नहीं आता है। मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा रहा हूँ, पहले आपको धीरे धीरे करके पढ़ा। तो ये सब चीजों को ध्यान में रखिए। टेस्ट योर नॉलेज। मैं आपको आज होमवर्क भेजा हूँ, find oxidation state and draw structural formula of following compound। अब यहाँ पे मैं लिखने जा रहा हूँ आपके लिए, कुछ दे रहा हूँ एग्जांपल। मैंने मान के चलो दिया H3PO4 दे दिया, ठीक, इसका एक दे दिया। अब दूसरा दे रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, दूसरा दे रहा हूं H3PO3 दे देता हूं, तीसरा दे देता हूं, तीसरा देता हूं मैं आपको K2Cr2O7 दे दिया। ये Cr निकालना है, यहाँ पे फास्फोरस का निकालना है, यहाँ पे फास्फोरस का निकालना है। क्लियर? और लास्ट वन इज इन चार्ज स्पेसिस देर आपको MnO4 negative there. You have to find oxidation state as well as formula of this compound. Hope you understand this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. In next video we cover all exceptional oxidation state. For this next video is for IIT JEE, and please watch this video also. Okay, thank you very much.